Take a look how small is this gadget. And what is it? And what it says? M1 Portable Bluetooth Speaker Music Stereo Surround Mini USB Outdoor Subwoofer Speaker Audio Player Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. And it costs $3.3 with Aliexpress, or for that is the price for the new shoppers, and it says that it's $9. I ordered it because it's mini wireless Bluetooth speaker, and I got it. Let's take a look how small it is. Bubbles. Oh. And it's small. Mini wireless speaker. World first coin-sized aluminum speaker. Alright. Okay, small instruction manual. Charging USB cable. Nothing else. And take a look. It's a small subwoofer. Alright. How much is weight? Let's wait. 32 grams. Alright. And the size? 31, maybe 32 millimeters. Diameter 34 millimeters. So cute, take a look. And the color, green with blue, metallic. Of course, the speaker is on the top. On side we have a micro USB charging port, and on bottom we have a switch. Let's turn on. And blue LED light waiting to be connected with smartphone. Just to remove this sticker. Alright. Let's see with how many milliamperes is charging the battery. Okay, we have the red light on, meaning charging, and at 5 volts it's pulling 200 milliamperes. Alright. Let's connect with my smartphone. Waiting. Why it's not connecting? Where is it? Details. I have too many devices connected to this phone. On. Let's turning off. Tup. Turning on. Turning on. Connected. I'm connected and empty. Connected for calls and audio. Great. Let's play some music. You will ask, of course, for this RGB LED meter or sound reactive LED lights, and that will be great with the speaker turning on. Let's go to the maximum. And take a look how small it is, and it's powerful for its size. I can't believe it. It's funny and cool. You can wear it in your pocket. please write in comments what you think about the sound. I do not have the right equipment for testing audio speakers, but tell me what you think by hearing this mini speaker, and it's small. Take a look how small it is. When you compare it to the phone, this one is tiny. Funny. And I like it. By the way, the link for the speaker and for the LED meter will be in description below, so you can check it. Maybe you will to order one for yourself. This is good, and also the LED meter is cool. They're not expensive. Party! I'm gonna turn it off and turning on, so I can see will it connect very fast. Fast! Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like if you like this mini wireless Bluetooth speaker. Share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!